Well, this is your Wall Street wake-up call. Facebook's second quarter earnings crushing estimates. For more, I'm joined now by Craig Erlam, a senior market analyst at Awanda, based in London. So, Craig, it's good to see you. The big driver for the quarter was mobile ad revenue up 80%, as 90% of Facebook's users are on mobile.
Absolutely. I think it's been a key driver for growth for a few quarters now. I remember it wasn't too long ago that we were talking about what was going to be the key driver in order to monetize the asset with regards to Facebook, and ads was always seen as the one with the largest potential. Mobile ads in particular, like you say, has been a massive driver. And I think the most exciting thing when it comes to the Facebook stock on the ad space is how much further it has to go. This still feels like an asset that's early in its development, I guess. And when it comes to ads and targeting ads and other things like that, you just see like this. You see so much potential in this space, which means while the growth rates may not be quite as good as they have been over the last year, there's still plenty of growth potential for Facebook in this space.
Well, and they haven't exactly even scratched the surface when it comes to video, right? They're first starting to promote this Facebook Live asset, and that could certainly unlock, tremendous value in terms of ads on Facebook Live.
Well, Mark Zuckerberg noted himself the potential with the video space. One thing that people have been wanting to know about is potentially things like broadcasting, which other people are looking at. And it doesn't seem to be a focal point for Facebook at this stage. So the fact that they've got so many ideas and so many things to pursue, like Facebook Live, as you've just mentioned, and they're not even considering things like broadcast at this stage, is quite staggering. It just shows, again, just how much potential there is for Facebook to move into, just with regards to the mobile platform, the ad space, the videos, and so on and so forth.
And what about this notion that Facebook will continue to sort of chip away at Google's dominance in the digital ad market? Which of those two stocks, Facebook or Google's parent Alphabet, would you rather be in?
Yes.
I think right now I'd say both are quite exciting stocks. I think there's potentially, like say, more potential for Facebook. The number of users that Facebook has right now, and of course, obviously, Google has a lot of users as well. But there's just something about the Facebook stock right now that just seems to excite. It's the number of avenues, I guess, that it has to go down that may be a little bit more closed off to Google. And like say, I think the sky's the limit with regards to Facebook at the moment, and you've seen how much the stock has risen over the last 4 years, or over the last year, as you say, it's even risen at a staggering amount. And I think while we may not continue to see maybe the rates of growth that we've seen already, I do still see plenty more upside to come for the Facebook stock.
Well, and that's the thing, because it's trading as its trailing 12-month PE ratio is at about 59. What's your take on that level?
Well, that's, of course, it's extremely high, and I think that says I think that says a lot more about what people expect from the stock rather than the fact that it's potentially overpriced. I think people just, like I say, I think people think the future is just so bright for Facebook, and the number of avenues and the number of options it has at its disposal is just quite exciting. And I think it's just one of these stocks that when people are owning, they just see the potential that it has to grow, and the potential. And with Mark Zuckerberg at the helm, they seem to have had a good leader up until now, and as long as he continues to drive the company forward, I don't think people have any worries about the stock.
All right, Craig Erlam, market analyst at Awanda in London. Craig, thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Scott Gam, and you're watching The Street.